Welcome to Learn Manipuri Language channel. Hi, I am Thoiba. In this video I am going to teach you how to speak Manipuri language. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new video. Here are today's topics. I, in Manipuri.
Ai,
We, in Manipuri.
Eikhoi, Eikhoi, Eikhoi,
You, in Manipuri.
Nang,
You, in Manipuri.
Nakhoi, Nakhoi, Nakhoi,
He, in Manipuri.
Mahak, Mahak, Mahak,
She is same as the he in Manipuri. They, in Manipuri.
Makhoi, Makhoi, Makhoi.
That's all for today. If you like my video, please hit that like button and share this video for me. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye bye.